let's tackle under the sink. Yep, this is what I got, and there's no rhyme or reason to it. And to be honest, I didn't have any bins or like shelves with pull-out drawers that I thought I should get. Probably should have, but as of right now, we're gonna just tackle with like how it looks and with what it is, and just get it in a little bit of a better state. So let's get into that. Alright, not a terribly huge improvement, but at least I kind of know where things are. So I have dishwasher stuff, because I use these more than I would use the stuff behind it. Cleaning cloths, easy to grab. Definitely use those, as you can tell. I have my sponge extras here. Then I have actual sponges, and then some kind of reusable sponge cloths that I almost never use. My Swiffer dry stuff is back there. I have the Mr. Cleans under here. Lysol wipes, which I use all the time. Max's baby shampoo. And then stuff I don't use very often in like the very, very, very back. Some fabric cleaner. This stuff I use more often. Again, multi-surface, Dawn, and then multi-service and Windex. So I use these a lot. I would say this stuff is my most used, which would be up front for easy grab. So this was a quick one, but I think these are always needed, and then you can at least see what you're working with as well. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.